In the event that you're searching for the Bitgert value expectation or finding the capability of Brise coin, this value figure can be useful for you. Our cost figure depends on a profound specialized examination and the previous exhibition of Brise. Bitgert is today one of the most famous crypto projects on the lookout. Here we will attempt to dissect the capability of the Bitgert coin in the long haul. As information was accumulated from the ventures site, Bitgert is a crypto designing association that has fostered the quickest blockchain. According to Bitgert Guarantee, their blockchain is proficient to deal with 100,000 exchanges each second and almost zero exchange charges. Bitgert coin lives on Binance Savvy Chain and Bitgert Chain. Brise is the local token on the Bitgert blockchain that can utilized for stake too. The genuine use instances of the Bitgert project make Brise coin a promising venture in the long haul. As one of the developing DeFi and dApps projects, the Bitgert group is chipping away at numerous drives. Today, Bitgert tokens can be found on numerous well-known crypto trades, like Huobi and KuCoin. By posting on a few premium trades, Bitgert can soar in the forthcoming months. Since its day for kickoff, Bitgert coin has shown broad development in the crypto market. Bitgert coin gave an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2021. The Bitgert costs energized to a record-breaking high, ATH, of $0.00000404 in August 2021. Since that bitrise token is showing slow development, Brise coin has a high measure of token stock, which is likewise a specialized error to contacting the moon. In the event that the Bitgert group consumes Brise tokens in enough sums, the Brise coin worth might get to the next level. According to our examination, the costs of Bitgert coin will keep on filling in the following 10 years. However, it's remarkably difficult to arrive at a 1 penny cap before this decade's over. As all cryptos are showing negative development this year, Bitgert coin's presentation can be additionally sluggish. There are solid prospects that the following bull run might assist Bitgert with recovering its worth. Bitgert, Brise, Value Forecast 2023. Bitgert is recuperating from long negative occasions in 2023. According to our Bitgert cost conjecture, it can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.00000923 this year. As indicated by some market specialists, the development of crypto resources can be slow this year. On the off chance that there is a bull rally in 2023, the costs of Bitgert might flood more than our forecast. Nonetheless, the normal cost of Bitgert coin can be around $0.00000671 this year. Also, assuming that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of the Bitgert coin can be down up to $0.00000485. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation 2024. Bitgert, Brise may recover its situation in 2024, assuming that the market sees a few decent developments. According to our Bitgert forecast, the greatest exchanging worth of Brise coin can be around $0.00000394 in 2024. On the off chance that the market goes according to our assumptions, the typical cost of Bitgert can be around $0.00000281. The base value level can go up to $0.00000152 in 2024, assuming the market turns down. According to our cost examination, Bitgert coin's cost might cross its new ATH on the off chance that the market sees a decent bull run in 2024. Bitgert, Brise, Value Forecast 2025. The Bitgert group might consume sufficient measure of token stock before 2025. According to our Bitgert forecast, their costs can hit another ATH level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of $0.00000575. Relying upon the market pattern, our most extreme cost expectation for Brise coin is $0.00000653 in 2025, while the base value level can be around $0.00000413. In the event that the market gets bullish, the Bitgert might flood more than our Brise coin cost gauge in 2025. Bitgert, Brise, Value Forecast 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in 2030. Genuine task-based cryptos like Bitgert coin can overwhelm the market. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $0.00000868, while the base value worth of Bitgert coin can be around $0.00000752. Alongside Bitgert coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $0.00000972. Assuming there is any bull rally in 2030, the costs of Bitgert coin might soar and outperform our bitrise token cost gauge. Bitgert Brise Value Expectation 2040. Bitgert Brise coin can overwhelm image coins regarding esteem in the long haul. According to our Bitgert cost figure, the Bitgert coin costs can hit another AF level this year. By 2040, we might expect a typical cost of $0.0026, relying upon the market pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for Bitgert coin is $0.0045 in 2040. Assuming the market gets bullish, the Bitgert coin might flood more than our Bitgert coin cost conjecture in 2040. While the base value level can be around $0.0015, assuming the market gets negative. Bitgert Brise Value Forecast 2050. Bitgert coin has extraordinary potential in the event that you will hold it as long as possible. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of 62 cents, while the base value worth of Bitgert can be around 24 cents. After such a long excursion, alongside Bitgert coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 89 cents. Assuming more financial backers are drawn to the Bitgert in the middle of between these years, the costs of Bitgert coin can be a lot higher in 2050 than our bitrise token cost forecast. Is Bitgert a wise venture? According to the new spike in costs, Bitgert has demonstrated that it can amaze financial backers with huge returns. Bitgert coin is one of the quickest developing DeFi projects, and cryptos with genuine use cases can major areas of strength for B nature. According to our cost examination, the drawn-out interest in Bitgert coin gives off an impression of being a decent choice to consider. Despite the fact that the Bitgert coin costs appear to be bullish, Bitgert coin and other cryptos are unpredictable and can alter their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a savvy financial backer and like to make unsafe speculations, Bitgert can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most gainful resources as well as the least secure too. In this way, prior to going with any speculation choice, do your legitimate gamble. The executives. Will Bitgert arrive at 1 penny? As the Bitgert coin siphoned enormously in 2021-22, numerous crypto merchants are interested to know, regardless of whether the Bitgert can hit 1 penny. According to our drawn-out bitrise token cost forecast, the Brise coin can hit effectively a 1 penny cap between 2030 to 2035. Bitgert coin is an extraordinary computerized resource with a genuine use case. Furthermore, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an extraordinary bull run or bear rally can whip all the cost expectations in a flash. Assuming more financial backers are drawn to the Bitgert coin project, the cost of Bitgert coin can skyrocket, and it might hit its 1 penny focus before our Bitgert coin forecast. A few new postings on premium trades may likewise build the worth of Bitgert coin. Is